Ngebuya bafethe ye makem. Ye makem.
What I'm saying to you? What I'm saying to you? What I'm saying to you?
Sure, sir.
What I'm saying to you? Tell me now. Tell me now what I'm do. Oh, what I'm do? What I'm say? Tell me now. Okay, I was okay.
So is the chicken a girl or a boy? A boy. Very good.
Angisho ngiphinde niphakama kumzange ndithi bekunganjani basingaqoshelisa ezi athi efika omnye afike kukho umqombothi. Thank you.
Molweni bafethu, I hope everybody is doing great. Namhlanje I was just thinking we've been through a lot as a country. Hence I decided to check out this throwback video. And if you're seeing me for the first time, Kamalam Amani, and I'm bringing you the best local content. So if you are subscribed, make sure that you do subscribe. So let's check out this TBT.
Which country will you prefer to stay in besides South Africa?
Phela mode besides South Africa kushuthi ngikhona South Africa.
Masuse South Africa. Iliphi elinye ilizwe ongafuhlala kini?
Ngeke isuke South Africa yohlezi khona.
Which other country will you stay in including South Africa?
Mawukuthi ngihlala ini ke vele ngiyawathanda ama indoors ngahlala eSouth Africa.
I don't even understand.
Okay, masithi ke eSouth Africa mayisikhukhule imvula. Yahamba kwelinye ilizwe ufuna iye kuliphi ilizwe?
Angithi uyabona mekuthiwa ikhukhulwa imvula ya kwelinye ilizwe nami ngizobe ngilapha ekhukhuleni ngiye kule lizwe yekulona eSouth Africa.
Wena uzokhetha ukuthi ikhukhulelwe kuphi?
Ngifune ngathi ngakhukhulelwa la eSouth Africa.
Hayi bafethu kuyacaca ukuthi ayithanda South Africa bafethu akayindawo. Okay,
ngithanda South Africa, ngithanda South Africa bafethu. I was born and raised in South Africa. Kodwa mase kuthiwa ngikhetha indawo engaya kuyona, ngingafuna ke America.
we don't care.
Injani ubashushu ke ngoxa iphuma pa?
It's a bit like a show. When I do. It's bloody crack, somebody crack. I thought it crumb of glove, it clicks of what. You shouldn't you made a promise that. Sound like a show.
The beat 100%, lyrics 5%.
Kwaze kwamnandi eSouth Africa yo kwaze kwamnandi eSouth Africa loputinga mosi mazele kasami se compose loputinga mosi ayeye why asande pe
Uthi bemlwana kuphi? Hayi ningalu kanjena man. Yes. Ukushaya KO. Hayi akakuvale kanje.
Abazali bebekhonza.
Our parents were very in church.
Abazali abantu ababekhonza qala akho omnye umuntu onotolika apha base kancedisa.
Oh.
Xa indoni ekhumshisayo because ingathi ngumuntu omnyama ba. cupcake. Danko.
Hello.
Uphilini.
Khona kondo mzalwane.
Ngithi ngicela usikhumbuza ngalali apha kwa6 kwami. Ngicela ngilale pha ezantsi. Ngicela ngaphezulu angalali.
Sekho kwakho nendoda wena.
Sekho kwakho.
Uzawubona ke uzawufika ndele naye apha.
Okay, sure.
Ukwazi ulala nendoda wena
kwenzani? Uzumlalisa.
Uzawunyo
kwakho.
Uzawulala
kwakho.
Uzawulala.
Umlalise.
Uyawulala kho.
Uzumlalisa.
Uzawulala kho.
Uzumlalisa.
Ngizamlalisa.
Uzumlalisa. Segqitha tata ndinomdala. Ngegqithi lento indala ikhohlakeleyo.
I-right.
Chego ndinentsumpe ematapuleni.
I-right. Zaphela baba zeka.
Zaphela kudala.
Hey.
You are women are hardcore. Was that necessary though? You.
You're bugger. Are you back? Don't see my black me. I'm rat me. I did working for the Eastman. I shot for me. Don't see a black me. I'm rat me.
Yeah, you are right.
Thank you.
Now, he's fired. Sleeping on the job. Kalo. Sleeping on the job. Jani. Umdalale kodwa usejobini. You are fired. And you are fired. You are fired.
It's Sunday today.
Uzothina jobini Sunday. Bubizwa ngane jobini Sunday. Uzizele. Labor relations anto.
Even the band.
Yeah, uyageza namsebenzi bese yapi.
Even you know where the danger is. You know where the danger is in our. Even because they dating the sugar daddies. The sugar the danger is.
Your voice is very popular. Your voice. You know what the danger is.
To us, even you can get the danger. Yeah, you can translate.
If he wants to sleep with me, we will first go for an HIV test to make sure that he is HIV negative or positive.
Ayayireduce lento le iyehle kancinci siswami ethi singabantu first of all akahlise lento le 21 days noba ingaba i10 days ke 5 days yana singabashonile butwana mama siya understand lonto le nabo abantu balele sisatweni babhemi inyawo
Legend ilindile bangasemva waiting for his moment.
First of all, thina sibaza abantu banekhonora first of all because even amapolice nxa kuthiwa akubamba abakufake lento asiyazi thina lento kahle kasingabantu abamnyama siswami savota kule country le safumana
uvota kungenaphi.
Going on in here. We're not even united, my friend. Others, they are sick, others, they have a low stroke. What?
4:10. Wow! Indriyawa.
Mina nguzulu igama lami isibongo nguzulu ngumusika.
Ngisho ukuthi uzwile ukuthi iSouth Africa iconfirmile ukuthi khona abantu ababili abashonile eWestern Cape because of the virus.
Uyazi mina mangicabanga lezo zinto mama zibulala abantu abaflyayo thina asifly sila eMzansi wire.
Place in their community, people saying that they.
Hello.
People saying that.
Awuqalunike lo tata. Tata ndikhulumele mos. Yakho mos ingakho intoni ingakakuhleli uhlupheka vele yanibona. Uhluphe thetha uhluphe kanjani?
Plan now moving forward. Kwamanje singacela uMasango aqhubeke nayo lenkulumo cishe.
Do you know what's the plan moving forward about in the community?
No, the plan, I can't understand it really.
Drove around the streets here we drove around the streets. We drove around the streets. We drove around the streets on London Road more especially because that's where the action was.
Hi, Unjani. Unjani ngwanesu. Yeah, why are you taking this thing?
Why did you drink?
No, because of what is my favorite beer that I want. Why they can't close the brewer?
Oh, hi, yeah. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed that throwback buffet too. If you want more throwbacks on Thursday, do write in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Sure.